Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the weekly time frame chart of Bitcoin quoted to Tether at Zondacrypto. So what do we have here is definitely something that we are all familiar with, the uptrend that started in the late November 2024. It reached the level of 3,550 before this big correction, big movement to the downside has happened. So let's just figure it out what's going on here. The first thing you can see straight on this chart is that you can place some kind of a trend line. If you place the trend line from here on the top towards this, let's say, level, and let me just mark it a little bit better for you, so it will be orange line. If we copy this line and made another on the bottom as well, you can see that we are moving inside of this very specific, particularly interesting kind of a pattern, right? So this pattern is expanding from the upside to the downside, from the upside to the downside, going up, going down. Possibly this recent spike to the downside, this recent weekly candle with a low at 49,501 is the last wave to the downside of this kind of a expanding triangle. And expanding triangle is a continuation pattern, right? So if we apply our triangle pattern, let's say we get this from the top, we got the wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D. Okay, that's not the correct one. Let me just get rid of it. Okay, once again, so you got the wave A, wave B, wave C, and wave D, and wave E to the downside. There you go. This tool is not really great. Anyway, A, B, C, D, E, right? Like a classical triangle. Is there any other classical triangle? There you not really. Nevertheless, you know what I mean, right? So we got this triangle formation. We can move higher. We can move way higher if we break out from the triangle. So the key technical resistance all-time high 73,550, right? When we zoom in, you can see that this is way below the recent rallies, right? So this one from 2021, the one from the 2021 as well. So this is the first one, this is the second one, first half of the year, second half of the year. And now there is a kind of a like a very nice zone. This is like a supply zone, of course. But if we take a look here on the bottom and we apply our technical support, you can see that this swing to the upside is very aggressive and dynamic. There is some sort of let's say it is expanding triangle formation, which is continuation pattern, and now we are let's say waiting for the breakout to the upside once this formation is done. Okay, so this supply zone 64,662 and 73,550, this is the range of this supply zone, will not be strong enough to stop the bulls, basically. If we apply one indicator, which is moving average, and let's say we are going to apply short-term moving average, which is 9 and 26, but those are not that really the ones that I want to apply. I want to apply 55 weeks and 100 weeks. And if we apply this moving averages, you can clearly see that we are just starting to bounce from the 55-week moving average, and the 100 periods moving average is still way below the price. So the outlook remains bullish. If we apply one more indicator to this, and that would be our side, our momentum indicator, you can clearly see that we went from the extremely overbought conditions down towards the level of 50. Let me just mark this this level for you so we can see it straight on. This is the level of 50, then the neutral level, let's say it is somewhere here, and you can see they were trying to move lower below the level of 50 to open the road towards the negative sentiment zone, negative momentum zone, but it never happened. Every time we went here towards the level of, let's say, 46, 45 points, bounced immediately. Then we went towards the level of 48 points, we are bouncing immediately. So we tested this neutral zone, and the market is ready to move higher on a weekly basis. So this is the long-term outlook basically for the Bitcoin. The long-term outlook is still bullish. Now, what is the level on this chart? What is the level that will separate the bullish outlook from bearish outlook? If I could mark a one level which is very important for that situation, would be this low here. Let me just get my magnet. There you go. This low here, 41,000 tethers is the level that is separating bullish outlook from the bearish outlook on the weekly time frame chart of the Bitcoin 2 tether. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.